Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your project context is correct. Set the project folder so textures and references resolve. This prevents broken links when you save. Once done, enable auto backup and incremental save in preferences so you have restore points. That reduces risk of data loss. Now use File, then Save as to create a named versioned file. Choose a descriptive name and include a short date or version number. This practice gives you a clear baseline before further edits. Next, decide the file format. Keep the native, max for full scene fidelity, or export FBX/OBJ when exchanging with other apps. This choice affects materials and animation transfer. Make sure to run the external files or asset tracker to find any missing textures or XREFs. If items are outside the project folder, consolidate them now. Once assets are organized, relink any lost files and verify materials render correctly. These middle steps reduce broken references and make future saves. Finally, perform the save. Use save as with an incremental file name pattern so you can roll back to earlier versions easily. After saving, close and reopen the file in a new 3ds Max session to confirm it opens cleanly and that assets are intact. If the save fails or the file is corrupted, try a quick troubleshooting step. Delete the scene's undo file, reset 3ds Max preferences, or export to FBX then re-import. These steps usually recover the scene, or at least preserve most work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.